Chapter 26. If from time to time the toxic magician sounds like someone who concocted Huxley's Brave New World, let me assure you he is not. Indeed, as a matter of perversity, we might assume that Huxley was himself a master with a keen knack for observing human behavior and who projected forward from what he saw. While common man is competitive, greedy, and ambitious, unlike Huxley's common worker bee, this is only a small anomaly. Common man, as so many brilliant and stupid authors have noted, is simply a domesticated primate, and the zoo runs quite well most of the time until any of the many 0 hours is reached, at which time pandemonium breaks loose. While common man is domesticated, seething within him are all the necessary components of destruction which allow him to be controlled and at the same time allow him to be self-destructive. In this way, common man has the potential to act as if he was a sower of discord and disobedience, but this remains well under control except during certain times of the year and in certain places. Other than pathological individuals, which include toxic magicians who have lost control, common man is nicely controlled by bouts of depression, temper tantrums, guilt, sorrow, terror, and fear. The result of all these emotions is that common man is nullified, which allows for his ability to perform the rather pathetic and puny tasks to which he and others have given significance. The end.